Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maria from Underthenightmoon, and I'm here today to bring you the second little Valentine book that I've made for my Etsy shop using the absolutely gorgeous papers from the PixieDustFiles. Her absolutely brilliant Valentine papers are so gorgeous. I made two books. If you are following me, you might have watched the first book that I just did a video for, and then I had several ladies message me wanting one, so I made two. I don't know if I mentioned in the last video, but these two books are going to be listed tomorrow, Tuesday. I don't know the date, but it'll be listed down below at noon Eastern time. Okay, so if you're interested in them, the listings will go up at noon. And I'm sorry if I didn't mention that in the first video, but it will be linked down below. And so yeah, this one is so cute. Oh my gosh. It measures 4.5 by 4. It's one signature that I've sewn in, and then look at the cover. I used a little, I think this is a Prima frame, and of course my gold and hot pink paint. You can see the embossing. I wrapped around the cover, and let me show you this cute little book. So I made the book out of this paper here. Of course, backed it onto chipboard, and then I stitched it all the way around. Then I added the lace around as well. And what I love about the lace is I made it into two little pockets. So you've got this pocket on the back and this pocket on the front, and you've actually got plenty of room, you can see, to add more stuff in there. And I just love the way the lace looks. It's just such a delicate and frilly, it's like a little frilly confection of hot pinks and angels, cherubs, beautiful ribbons, and lots of gold and sparkle. Oh, I love the way that looks right there. You can really see the embossing. I added these really chunky rhinestone trims along the edge. This little cherub, I added some gold on the inside there. And then let me show you the tag on the cover. If you watched my last video, you might have seen that I went ahead and had some fun with this hot pink paint. And it was so much fun. I added paint to just about everything. You can see the frame, the paper. I edged all the papers. Anywhere I thought a little pink could be a little brighter, I added some of the paint too. And I just made it like a watercolor. And you can see the embossing on the little cherub's wings. So absolutely beautiful are these papers. I just love them. So that's what I did on the cover. I really love the way the frame came out. And there's stickle on there. There's the gold paint. Just really fun. And so when you open inside, there's a little pocket here. Again, more of her gorgeous digitals. And then this rose trim. I just added like a little flip up so you could put a fun little picture there and journal on the back. And I've got this iridescent heart trim on the bottom. And then I've got, I hope you can see that. I can't really tell. It's so dark out today. I think it's snowing. You can see the heart trim there. And then I put this pearl trim on top. And then I think I mentioned as one signature. I think I did. And then on the first page here is just some rose paper from my stash. And then I added this little piece that's been floating around on my desk for quite a while. It's like a little tuck spot. And then I did use mostly PixieDustFile imagery in here. Just so fun to work with her papers. This is a teeny tiny little offcut that I made into a tag. Love the gold. And then I had fun with these stamps. They're throughout the book. This one says confidential. And I thought it would be fun for the owner to put where she wants those to go. And then I left lots of pages blank for journaling. Added some of my brocades. This is some fun washi tape. Again, the gold doilies. Just loving all the gold highlights. You can see the girls have their little golden touches, little dresses, frills, sparkles, and then it says playtime right there. Another really pretty journaling card. And then you can see I had some fun with my little dots. Really fun. This is some pretty antique lace. And then just look at the colors. I just love the colors of these pages. And then here's some more of those. This one's top 10 list. And then this is one of her digitals. I just love everything about this. I love the colors, the textures, all the things that are in the digital itself. It's so chippy and oh, I just love it. And so I made that a little pocket. This little frame here is a pocket and it says event. And then that's the back of the little house here. I put some paper on the back. But isn't that cute? And then just a little journaling card and then the top 10 list. And then this fun gold is kind of everywhere. That's a hand stamp of a beautiful rose, says memories. And this is actually sketch paper. And this would also, you could do watercolor on this paper as well. Here's this star wrapping paper that I have a huge roll of. And I'm having a lot of fun with that because it's really durable. It's really well made. Here is another little tab. It says note to self. And then another one of her gorgeous digitals. And I love the little gold accents everywhere. Hopefully that's showing up right here. And this is just a sweet little notepad that I did sideways for you to just jot down some favorite music, books you want to read, people you need to call or pray for or send a note to. So fun. Some vintage alphabet. Oh wait, and then this is a little tuck on the cover. Sorry. Isn't that cute? I just love the hot pink, the little hot pink things popping out. Some antique lettering, some fun scrapbook paper. This is one of her gorgeous heart images. I don't know if this one's in her shop, but look how absolutely beautiful. So gorgeous. And then down below has one of my favorite charms, which was really fun to use these because they went so well with this book. I love how you have the heart here with the rose, and then you have the charm with the rose here, and of course the ribbons. So pretty. Those are the little details I love. I gave you a little heart doily to play with. And then I did some embossing. It's just a really pretty vine. And then one of her journaling cards here. Just love, love the pink. I'm going to put those behind the doily so you can see the doily. Here's the other side of the sketchbook paper with the little rose, or it's not little, but again, you could watercolor on there. The fussy cut beautiful angel, little cherub, and her wings are all stickled too. She's really sparkly. I don't know if the camera's picking this up. Oh yeah, I guess so. Love those stickles, boy. This stuff here, it is so sparkly. It takes a little while to dry, but it's well worth it. And I would just, you know, do my dishes, and I would put some stickle on and go do my dishes, come back. Throughout the day, you know, I would just keep adding so that it would be able to dry. So fun. And then it's real fun too to use this hot pink trim that I have. And then look at these gorgeous roses with the pink trim. So beautiful. And then I just put a really beautiful golden paper inside here for you to journal on, of course. And then here's the other side of the polka dot paper and the wrapping paper. And then here I just hand stamped a large banner. You can see the little dots there. So fun. I love this pink paper. It's really fun. And then here's another rose. Little secret flip for some memories if you have a fun little picture. And then I attached two really cute little tags here on the bottom, just for fun. They have their dots, and there's a little rose there. So fun, and that's the center of the signature. And these roses are soft. You can write right on top of those. They lay flat. I love the way these are sewn. Pretty durable too. Again, little tabs to help you find your way through the book. And then of course I had to decorate some little mushrooms. Aren't those cute? I just love decorating the mushrooms. That's only just begun. And then in this little pocket, first I love this image. It's from one of her collections, and I love adding the silver glitter to it. And then it's a little tuck spot, and so I just put some fun little tags in there. I did use some distress ink. I will show you in a minute. This is a really pretty sticker. It's a frame. Let me see. Let me show you against the white. It's a beautiful rose sticker. So you put the rose wherever you like. You peel that off first, and then you peel off the frame and add that to wherever you want. Or you can use them separately. You can peel off the frame and put the frame over the rose here, and then use this. Like, there's two different stickers. I hope that makes sense. So you've got one of those in there. And you'll see, you can tell there's two stickers there. And then I used one of her labels that says Celebrate. And then I'll just show you real quick. I used Ranger's Worn Lipstick Distress Oxide. This was the perfect pink color to match. It was nice and bright. So I used that wherever I needed to. And then I backed the mushrooms with this fun polka dot. And then another piece of the embossed paper for you to have fun with. Some ribbons and bows, tabs, and then it wouldn't be complete without one of her gorgeous little dresses. Absolutely love these dresses. She has a little tulle, little bodice on, and then I don't know if the cameras show you the golden collar from the doily. And then on the bottom here, I attached with a little jump ring, a little star, and a tiny little aqua heart. And they're enamel. It's so cute. And then you can, of course, always journal on the back of the dress. And it's attached at the top, so you've got the page to journal or write about, and put the picture here, however you want to use that. But I like that you can, you know, flip it out of the way, you can move it, that sort of thing. And then I just put little keepsake on there. So cute. Let's see, this is the other side of the sketchbook paper, and then I hand stamped a really fun crown. And then the other side of the polka dot and the alphabet, and then the stars. This one hand stamped Follow Your Dreams. And then this is just a fun little pocket I made using this gorgeous golden paper. And there's a embossed cherub right here. I don't know if the camera is showing that or not. Of course, more of the tulle. And then in this pocket is this gorgeous little girl from one of her kits, backed with some of the papers. It's just so beautiful. And then I just put a little pink on her dress, and then gave you another frame to play with. It's so fun to add these golden frames. And they look really pretty in the pockets as well. And then another journaling card on the back, so that you can tell a story there. Just so beautiful. And then on the other side here are the little dollies, which I just adore. All the little dolly collections. I even had a little dolly dress floating around. Oops. Just love. They've even got a little pom-pom. And then I put one of these really pretty die-cut hearts in there. And then another really fun frame. And this is a matte gold paper. So gorgeous. Ready for stories. Of course, I put the little dress in the frame, but it's just fun to have for you to play with. And then I fussy cut her trim that she gives you. There's daydreaming. A lot of pages here are left for you to journal and have fun with. And then the back page, just another gorgeous, beautiful. The images are just so breathtaking. I just could work with them all day. And then I did just add a little fun. I made a little charm for the bottom here, and then this is a pocket here. And then in the pocket, attached with a little golden pad, are some offcuts of the papers, ready for journaling. This one has a tag on the back, but you can write right over that or add a picture too. These are all cardstock, and I love how they just don't take a lot of room. Love, love, love. And I did have a lot of really beautiful gold trims in my stash to use, which really just made working with this book so fun, was having all the trims and everything. And then here again, I just love this star paper. So I made another fun little envelope. And then in this envelope are some more fun stickers. These are some gold embossed stickers. This is like a label that you can use. Beautiful roses. This book belongs to, and one of her fun little tickets. So all kinds of fun things in there. And of course, plenty of room for more. You know, if you had some fun stamps that you got on a card, you could put them in there, or any little bits that you have that need a place to be tucked into. Goes right in here like that. And then the back part, because you have the pocket on the front and you have a pocket on the back. And so these were things that I made for the books that I didn't really use or was going to use at one point. This is just a Memory Decks card that I die cut on this gorgeous paper, and then I added the pink. So this is ready for a story. I have another really gorgeous one of her tags with all the gold and pink, and then some mushrooms for you to have fun with. And so those all get tucked in the back. Oh, and there's the fire department. That's okay, we're done. I am so thankful today to be able to show you these books. Thank you so very much for your amazing comments, and just, oops, I'm sliding. Just everywhere, whether it's here on my shorts or Instagram. I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you. These will be listed tomorrow in my Etsy shop at noon Eastern. So if you have any questions, please leave a link or leave them down below for me. Follow me on Instagram at Underthenightmoon. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video. Sorry for the noise. Just thank you all so very much. Have a really great rest of your day. Bye-bye now.